Hello everybody, Molot here, and today we are opening a retail box of 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 2. This is one of those retail store boxes that's got 12 packs per box with one bonus pack, 8 cards per pack. Also has an O-Pee-Chee Glossy 3 rookie card bonus pack inside. Ooh, that's exciting. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we've got here. I do have some hobby boxes that are being shipped in currently, so I will be adding some hobby breaks to my channel here very shortly. So I know retail is not always that exciting. I'll just dump all those out there. So again, we've got all of the standard retail packs. And then I'll save this guy for last. This is the Glossy Rookies from O-Pee-Chee. Trying to see if they have any odds on anything in here, if there's anything special. 3 and 1. Nope, that's about it. So probably just standard rookies. Please excuse my dog Leo. He's freaking out upstairs. But here we go. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Start off with TJ Oshie, Alex Pietrangelo, Duncan Keith, UD Rookie Portraits of Warren Fogle. It's not bad. Jake Gardner, Corey Perry, Tyler Bozak in a Blues uniform, and Adam Lowry. Got the checklist of Noah Hannafin and Dougie Hamilton. Chris Taven, Max Domi, Young Guns, alright, Victor Edelson, Chicago, but it's a rookie. Brent Burns, Brendan Smith, Tuukka Rask, and Bo Hobart. And then we have Michael Kempney, Thomas Greiss, Jeff Carter, UV Canvas of Pierre-Luc Dubois, Shea Theodore, Victor Hedman, Erik Karlsson, and Philip Grubauer. Oh, looks like we got something here. I'm going to save that one. Alright, here we go. Charlie Coyle, Dylan Larkin, Henrik Lundqvist. Oh, Young Guns. This is a Dylan Skura. Another Blackhawk. Big Blackhawk box here so far. Ryan Murray, James Neal, Corey Schneider. Back in the day when Corey Schneider and Martin Brodeur were both, when Schneider was the backup, I collect all things Brodeur. And this used to get me excited. And then I'd be like, it's Corey Schneider. And then Jonathan Bernier. And Jonathan Quick. I don't know if the lighting's any good down here. This might be a bad video, I apologize. Adam Quaid, Tobias Reeder, and a O-Pee-Chee variation for Max Domi. Pretty cool. Joe Thornton, Michael Greibner. Checklist, PK Subban, John Tavares, Louis Eriksson. Alex Galchenyuk, Mike Green, Andrew Cogliano, marquee rookie, Jarrett Anderson Dolan. I'm not familiar with him. Let's see, played over in the UHL last year. I have to look into him. Evgeny Kuznetsov, John Tavares, Alexander Barkov, and Paul Stastny. Dump these packs on the floor. I'll pick those up later. Matthew Tkachuk, Ian Cole, Calvin DeHaan. This is a variation of the O-Pee-Chee rookies. This is a Matthew Joseph. Pretty cool. Nicholas Yarmelson. Cronwall. Taro Tyravainen. Victor Arvidsson. Keith Kincaid. Connor Sheary. Oh, got another Young Guns coming up. Brad Richards. This is Cooper Mardory? I'm not familiar with him. Played at Michigan, though. Wolverine. Cool. Tyler Toffoli. Sidney Crosby. Mark Giordano. And Tyson Jost. Okay, 3 more packs to go, and then I'll go back to that hit that we have there. Make sure I don't round these corners off while I open these packs. Tomas Tatar, Braden McNabb, Chris Kreider, UD Rookie Portraits, Jarrett Anderson Dolan. Hopefully he's good, because I got a couple of them now. Jason Zucker, Brad Marchand, Peter Mrazek, and Arturi Lehtinen. Tyler Seguin, Michael Granlund, David Perron. There we go. Another marquee rookie O-Pee-Chee, Par Lindholm for the Toronto Maple Leafs. The Leafs are my Eastern Conference team. Of course, obviously the Blues are my favorite. For the West, and Simmons, PK Subban, Vladimir Sobotka. I liked that guy when he was on the Blues. Ryan Spooner, and then he left us and went to Russia for a while. Then came back, and then we traded him. That's okay. We got the better end of that deal. Trust me. And Jake Virtanen, Jack Werenski, Patrick Laine, UV Canvas of Kyle Palmieri, James Van Riemsdyk. Actually, I'll put that one over there. Adam Larson, Nico Niederreiter, and Josh Bailey. All right, let's take a look at this hit. I'm going to do this the goofy way that everybody, the slow reveal. Brad Marchand, Peter Mrazek, Arturi Lehtinen, Noah Hannafin, Michael Bodker, and let's see, what do we got here? It's a Buffalo Sabre. Oh, this is the back. I can feel the jersey. I'm just going to flip it. Jack Eichel. You love him or hate him. A rookie photo shoot flashback material. It's not too shabby. I'll take it. Sweet. All right. And then here is the O-Pee-Chee Glossy Rookies. Dive right in here. Man. We have Ali Tolvin? Sorry, Nashville. I don't know that guy. Oh, Miro Heiskanen. He's doing pretty good. That's cool. And then a Rasmus Dahlin, Buffalo Sabres. All right, guys. Well, that wraps it up. Actually, not a bad box for just a retail box. Some good rookies there. Obviously, your Jack Eichel jersey card. Zoom in here. Lighting's horrible down here. But again, I'll have some hobby boxes coming soon, so we can take a look at those. Catch you on the next one. Thanks.